When was the last time your skin actually felt clean, balanced, and glowing? Meet Herbal Radiance Enriched Toner, your new secret to smooth, radiant skin. This multitasking formula removes every trace of dirt, oil, and impurities for a deeper clean, while restoring your skin's natural pH balance so your serums and moisturizers work even better. With glycolic acid, it gently exfoliates and brightens dull, uneven skin, helping reduce the look of fine lines, dark spots, and texture. And thanks to a blend of watercress, sage, burdock root, and ivy, it calms irritation, reduces oiliness, and keeps your skin hydrated and refreshed, never dry or tight. The result? Smoother skin, tighter pores, and a natural glow that feels as healthy as it looks. Clean, vegan, cruelty-free. Refresh, balance, and glow every day. Order your Herbal Radiance Toner now at supsaver.com.